In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your job title in Zoom. Adding your job title to your Zoom profile helps colleagues and clients quickly understand your role, which is especially useful in cross-team meetings, webinars, and when people view your profile. We'll do this in the Zoom web portal, which gives you access to fields that aren't always available in the desktop app. From your Zoom account in a web browser, start by opening your account area. Look for the My Account option and click it. This brings you to your personal settings hub, where you can manage your profile and meeting preferences. If you don't immediately see it, check the top of the page or the left side menu. Zoom occasionally moves links around, but My Account will be clearly labeled. Once you're in your account area, go to Profile. You'll find Profile in the left-hand navigation. This page contains your display name, profile picture, company information, and the job title field we want to update. It's the central place for how you appear to others in Zoom. On the profile page, locate your name at the top and click the Edit button next to it. This opens an editable panel for your personal details. Don't worry, nothing changes until you save, so you can review everything before you commit. In the Edit panel, find the box labeled Job Title and type in the title you want to display. Keep it clear and professional. Use standard capitalization and avoid emojis or very long descriptors so your title looks clean wherever it appears. If your organization uses specific abbreviations, like PM for Product Manager, choose the version that your audience will understand at a glance. You can also include a department if it helps, for example, Project Manager, Marketing, but try to keep it concise. When you're happy with your entry, click Save. Zoom will update your profile right away. After saving, glance back at your profile page to confirm the job title displays correctly. This update typically carries over to places where your profile is visible to others, such as contact cards and certain meeting contexts. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Edit button or the job title field, your organization may manage profile details centrally. In that case, reach out to your admin. If the layout looks different from what you see here, Zoom may have refreshed the interface. Use the search bar on the profile page to find Job Title or look for an edit option near your name. That's it. With your job title saved, your Zoom profile presents a clearer, more professional snapshot of who you are in every interaction.